it's day 44 of the community quarantine curfew here in the Central Visayas, Philippines. And I'm about to do something for the first time in my life. I'm going to give myself a buzz cut haircut. This will be the second time I've had a buzz cut haircut. The first time was when I went into the United States Air Force basic training camp many years ago. So I'm going to start out with a 15 millimeter guard on the clippers, and if I like that length, we'll stay with that. And if I want to go shorter, I'll switch over to a 9 millimeter guard and go shorter. So here it goes. We're in the tropics here. It gets hot. Shorter hair is much better. This left-handed work is kind of tricky. This is actually a bit of work. Cutting a lot of long hair down to a short length. There's a lot. It's kind of like mowing the grass. 8 a.m. Day 44 of the enhanced quarantine curfew in Carcar, Cebu, Central Visayas. The siren you hear in the background is 8 a.m. time. It also goes off at 12 noon and 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. I'll have to look at it with better light in the mirror and see if I like it. And I may cut it shorter to 9 millimeters. So we may be tuning back in for chapter 2 of this. So that's it for my first time in my life do it myself haircut, and it's not bad. Now I have experience. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. So it turns out the 15 millimeter length was perfect for me. My hair just starts to lay down just a little bit at 15 millimeters, and I like it that way. I still have to do some trimming around the ears, but I'll do that with better light in the bathroom. It's not as much hair to trim, I just trim it onto a towel. So very good, 15 millimeter buzz cut for Mr. Dave on day 44 of the COVID-19 virus curfew.